Assalamualaikum and good afternoon, everyone. So this is PFM3023, financial management. Before we start, let me share with you the course. Okay, we will discuss the course and obviously the content of it. And before we move further, let me introduce myself first. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, by the way, my name is Muhammad Faisal, right? And I got my PhD in Islamic finance from Durham University. And as you can see there, my undergraduates until my master's, it's all from UiTM. And that's my contacts at the bottom. To my contacts, my mobile number, my office number, and my office as well. Okay, I'm at block 10, level 3, room number 9, block 10. Okay, but just to let you know, I will not be your permanent lecturer for this course. Okay, meaning I guess by next month, okay, I foresee it by next month, we'll get the permanent one, then the actual lecturer who will be coming in November, hopefully. So currently, I'm just replacing him, okay, relieving his duty, just for these 2 or 3 weeks, right? But anyway, I've shared with you the first 4 topics notes here in my guru. So those have access to my group, please download the notes for at least the first four topics. Okay. Okay, sorry. Okay, so this FM, financial management, we have 3 credit hours, and currently our schedule will be on Tuesday. If I'm not mistaken, Tuesday 5 to 7. Okay, I don't know who said it, but it's 5 to 7. And then on Thursday, which is today, 2 to 3. Okay, so usually for this 2+1 split schedule, okay, the 2 hours will be dedicated for lectures, while the 1 hour will be for the tutorial. Okay, so because this financial management involve a lot of calculations, so therefore usually there will be a lot of exercises. Okay, because yeah, of course, some things that you need to do later on will have, you know, like a step-by-step kind of simulation. So therefore, exercises would be the best way to test whether you understand or not. Okay, so that's why I actually prefer to straight 3 hours. Okay, straight 3 hours schedule, but this semester they gave us 2+1, so we have to follow lah. Okay. So as I said, this course on financial management, this is basically the basic finance, and that's why loads of you guys, not necessarily from the Department of Accounting and Finance, have to take it. Okay, all the BBAs have to take it. Okay, Bachelor Accountancy have to take it, and some other in different departments, even different faculty also can possibly take this course. Okay, and just to ensure you are in the right track, this financial management is basically decision making for businesses. Okay, this is not for individual or personal finance. This is for business, and specifically, this is for companies, corporations, right? So we are handling financial management tools and techniques with regards to decision making for companies. So let's say in the future you work in a big organization or whatever company, okay, obviously you will have to face some financial situations, meaning you have to decide on certain things. Okay, so this will give you a basic understanding, the process, the techniques in terms of all the decision makings that you need to make. Okay, so that's why um, um, a lot of topics needs to be covered. I think we have about 9 topics altogether, and out of these 9, obviously there are some topics which is quite short, but the others might be longer than the rest. Okay, so let's look at the outcome. So basically, this one nanti kita discuss dalam. I will show you the performa later on, but we will see that from performa, I think best if we look at performa straight away. Okay, bear with me 1 second. Okay, so this will be the performa. I'm not sure whether this is okay. Right, so you can download this from my guru. I'm not sure whether you can download this one is generated from the system, or you can download the PDF one. Okay, even though this is a PDF, but this is generated from the system. There's another copy which is a PDF forms. Okay, the one that can be amended. But anyway, the contents are the same. Okay, this was last semester, and I think this semester will be different academics. Okay, we have different lecturers who teach this. Okay, and like I said, I'm just temporarily will covering your group. Your group apa? I, tak salah. I. G. Guys, group G kan. So these are the CLOs, okay, to explain the concept of finance. This is all from topic number 1 actually, from CLO 1E. This is all from topic number 1. Okay, and topic number 1 later on you will see this is the only topic yang theory sahaja. Okay, there will be no calculation at all for topic number 1. But starting from topic number 2, which is here the CLO number 2, to analyze the positions of the company, until the end of the topic number 9, everything would be calculations. Okay, a lot of calculations, right? So this would be the assessments. Okay, we have later on we will see in terms of the distribution of marks. Kat sini tak nampak, but these are the things that you need to do. Okay. So this would be the topics, right? So we have 9 topics. So topic number 1 is intro to financial management and financial market. And then, like I said, this is only topic with theory, no calculations at all. But for topic number 2, we have financial statement and ratio analysis. Bear in mind, the first part might be some theory. Okay, you guys yang dah ambil account, for example, is very useful, handy. Because the earlier part is basically introduction of the statements. What are these statements? Okay, but for this case, we don't prepare the statements. Statements will be given to you, or you can access the statements online. What we need to learn is actually how to do the analysis. Okay, and here the analysis is called ratio analysis, right? And your group project will be based on this. Okay, there will be one project that you need to do, whereby you have to prepare a written report and also presentation. And that group project is based on this topic number 2. Okay, by the way, yang number kat tepi ni is the week. So obviously this is the first week actually. And since we don't have lecture on Tuesday, okay, obviously today we cannot do any tutorial yet. So meaning we're gonna skip this week and we're gonna start next week. And for next week, we will try to combine both topic 1 and topic 2 together. Next, we have cash flow and financial planning. Okay, this is quite long topics. Okay, sebab dalam ni ada few different sections. We have the cash flows, we have the cash budgets, we have the pro forma statements as well, right? And the following week ni, okay, the working capital management. This is actually another topic and quite lengthy. Okay, and walaupun kat sini tulis just 1 week and week 5, tapi most likely we're gonna need 2 weeks for this. Okay, so that's why yang 1 and 2 ni we can combine. Then we maintain 3 and 4, but 5 ni akan need 2 weeks for this. Okay, because we have working capital management, and also we have the short-term financing as well. Sources of short-term credit is when you have problems with your working capitals, what would be the solution is by using the short-term credit. So this one we will access. And as I said tadi, I am just temporarily covering for this. So I foresee maybe I akan ajar you maybe up until paling lambat pun maybe sampai cash flow sahaja. But the rest will be proceed by your actual lecturer later. Okay. And then we have the time value of money. Time value of money is actually 1 week. Sufficient. We don't have to do these 2 weeks. Then we have bond valuations. Okay, stock valuations. The risk and return. Okay, capital budgeting techniques. And the capital budgeting and also making capital investment decision is actually related. Okay, you need to learn both to complete the whole section of making capital investment decisions. And finally, the long-term financial decision. Okay, so long-term ni sebenarnya it's the continuation from the short-term credit. Okay, but they put it at the final topic. And again, long-term financial decision is just 1 week will be sufficient. Okay, so that's 9 topics covered for 14 weeks, right? And this would be the distribution of marks. Okay, so we're gonna have one midterm test. Okay, the midterm test will be, in terms of the weightage, is about 15%. Okay, 15% for midterm test. Again, since we have online classes, online lectures, we're gonna have online tests and potentially online final assessment as well. Okay, so for midterm 15%, and then we have quizzes. Quizzes dengan forum ni selalunya dia combine je lah, quiz and forums, and because everything is online now. So quizzes will be 15% also. So 5 plus 5 plus forum 5. So all this can be online quizzes. Some you might have to use pen and papers as usual, or some quizzes might require just online answer. Maybe we can use my guru as well to answer some maybe multiple choice questions. Okay, so altogether 15. So dah 30. And like I said, there's one project that you need to do, the group assignment. Okay, so here as you can see, the total marks are 20. Okay, but you have 2 outputs. Okay, number 1 would be the written report, and secondly the presentation. Okay, so here the distribution is 15 and 5 respectively. Okay, so total ongoing assessment 50%. Okay, untuk course ni it's 50-50, not 60-40 for maybe for some other courses, but for this course, 50-50, right? And for the final assessment is the other 50%. All right. What else? Okay, references or books. There's no. Should I put it? It's not necessarily to have the textbook. Okay, but it's good to have, right? I have topics ataupun the title yang ada kat sini. I have some example in my collection, tapi I will not make it a compulsory for you to buy it. But in case if you want to refer, let's say if you insist on purchasing a book, okay, you can use any of this. Okay, any of this. Okay, but maybe macam the fourth one here, highlight this one. The fourth one here might be easier to read because this is a local context. Sebab dia buat in Malaysia kan, so you can use this one. But the rest actually you can refer as well, no issues. Okay, and if you can find some ebooks online katakan related to financial management, obviously you can use it juga. Okay, you can use that for your reference. Okay, but the notes that I'll give you obviously will not be 100% sufficient. It will be topped up by the lesson in class lah. Okay, because we do a lot of exercises, so therefore the notes too will be your guideline, but the process of how to do it, you need to check it in class. Ataupun selalunya, I will record every sessions. You can recheck the videos yang kita record tu for your reference as well. Okay, so that will be our lesson plan lah. Okay, the notes will be your guideline, but the way to do it, you have to refer to the class, right? Yeah, so this is the pro forma. Okay, as our reference ataupun as our plan throughout the semester. Ada soalan? Any questions?
So far, no, sir,
Okay.
but your voice kind of slow.
Sorry?
Your voice is kind of slow.
Right. Anyway, what else nak cakap? Okay, just reminder, I think you guys semua tahu, please log in the class via My Guru, okay, so that all the attendance will be recorded automatically, because I will use the records from the attendance from My Guru tu as a guideline, sebab sekarang tak sure dia dah integrate ke belum. Ya, dia dah integrate somehow, whereby the attendance from My Guru, they will upload masuk dalam the student attendance report. Okay, so I can sync the two systems ni. Okay, so if you don't use or when you don't access using My Guru, for example, so your attendance will not be recorded, and therefore they will not be transferred to the student attendance report. And the student attendance reports, they can automatically generate the warning letters. Okay, the warning letters tu kalau you tak datang, but we have 3 credit hours, and I think kalau you tak datang twice, you dah dapat dah first warning letter automatically, right? What else? Okay, yeah. Since I will not be around after a month or so, I would like to share with you. Sekejap, Okay. I'd like to share this. Okay, so as I said, for my class, I'm not sure whether the new lecturer akan buat sama ke tak, but for my class, I will record everything. And I will share the link in My Guru. And dalam My Guru tu, in web conferencing, besides the attendance, okay, in web conferencing, I click dekat web conferencing ni, you can join tadi kan, most of you join from My Guru, I saw just now. So you click here kan to start the class now and go to my WebEx punya link. And here, once the video available later, I will share with you the video here. Okay, so you masuk sini, you just click the link and then you can watch the recorded session. Okay. Just to share with you, from the previous semesters, I managed to record juga lah, and I shared in this. So yours pun akan masuk kat sini later on. So you can check the page, okay, this page, my page basically, to see some recorded sessions from the previous semesters. Okay, kena check mana yang relevant sebab I teach quite a few topics ataupun few courses kan. So perhaps you go to the playlist, for example. For PFM3023, I have one full playlist for last semester. So again, if you need to refer to, you need to learn something ataupun you nak refresh, I don't know, revise, need to do some exercises, just check out the videos and hopefully it will help lah in terms of your understanding. Okay, just go to my so-called YouTube channel then carilah dalam ni. But you will not see everything. I don't share everything. Obviously kalau tengok kat sini ada banyak kan, tapi some of the videos might be private. So ada yang apa? Yang public tu yang dalam playlist ni. Selalu yang dalam playlist ni I will make it private. Okay, so check out yang mana yang relevant. Okay, code kalau macam code yang tak familiar ni maknanya it's not from here lah, it's from somewhere else. Just go for you guys is PFM3023 financial management. So untuk semester ni I will put a new playlist maybe PFM3023 811 for example because this semester is 8211 kan. So yeah, just search my name okay kat dalam YouTube channel tu and then yeah try to find and you can watch the videos lah for all topics okay and some exercises juga. So again if you have new lecturer later on and then again you can have two different videos contohnya for your reference okay. Okay, I don't intend to do any lecture today because obviously it will not be sufficient time but I need solid 2 hours untuk buat lecture. I nak buat for both topic 1 and 2 together. So ada soalan tak? So we're going to start the lecture next Tuesday.
Doctor,
Yes.
for the group assignment, right? How many members must be in a group for each group?
The group assignment later on, you will see it will be a standardized group assignment for all groups, meaning groups meet here. You guys group G can. So we have a lot of other groups as well. So there will be a standardized assignment. And if I'm not mistaken, last time they asked about four in the group.
Okay, doctor, thank you.
Okay, but please wait for the actual announcement in My Guru later on when the coordinator will upload the instruction. Okay, but as far as I can recall for last semester, it's like I said, it's 4 if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so you can try to form a group, your own group now. Try to find the potential members maybe. Okay, but like I said, please wait for the actual announcement made by the coordinator in terms of the actual assignment. Okay, thank you. Anything else?
Okay, thank you, doctor.
All right, no problem. Anything else? Lupa. I think I cover most of it in terms of the preliminary things that you need to know. Yeah, so if there's no other questions, I'll see you guys inshallah on Tuesday next week. Okay, 5 to 7. But obviously, if our class is 5 to 7, we'll not finish at 7. It might be slightly earlier than that. Okay, so thank you very much. And inshallah, I'll see you guys next week.
Okay, doctor.
Okay, doctor. Thank you, sir.
Right.